This is a tutorial to assemble the Palmac custom 3D printed pistol grip for the MT torque driver. Included in the kit is the left side cover, the right side cover, the trigger mechanism assembly, 2 3x12mm cap screws, 4 3x16mm cap screws, and 6 3mm nylock nuts. First, insert the trigger assembly into the left side cover. Make sure the spring and washer are in front of the U-shaped holder. Insert the MT torque driver into the case, and make sure it is pushed to the left and aligned properly. Place the right side cover onto the assembly. Insert 3 nylock nuts into these 3 holes. Tighten one 16mm cap screw into each. Insert 2 nylock nuts into these 2 holes. Tighten one 12mm cap screw onto each. Insert the final 16mm cap screw and nylock nut into this hole. Tighten and adjust until the trigger moves freely. Do not over-tighten. This concludes our 3D printed pistol grip assembly tutorial.